Alright, so this was sitting in clearance at 50% off, and it does scan at 40. Usually they give you some BS number up here. So you're looking at this and saying, why is this 50% off? Well, I see the 14 millimeter missing, so was there like a whole bunch missing underneath here to be 50% off? Let's see. No, you're getting a lifetime warranty on these. Well, look at that. All that's missing is the 14 and it's 50% off. Somebody did buy it and use it. I could see that. This is definitely, number 20 was definitely used. I'm forgetting a wheel stud off. That was not used. That was not used. There's some thin walls on these at least. Looks like it was put on something. Or maybe this was sitting outside. That's like dirt. That's like wind generated dirt. Yeah. That's just dirt. Maybe the 14 broke on them and they returned it. Whatever. 20 bucks and it's got a case. I mean, if these were just normal, I probably wouldn't have bought them, but I liked it because it had a case. I like my impact, deep impacts to have a case.